Okay, so today we will be starting with SAS introduction. Okay, so basically, what are the topic that we are going to cover inside SAS? Okay, so basically there are two part to SAS. One is base SAS and advanced SAS, and then we will be looking into SAS analytics, how we can do data exploration or linear regression, like the analytics part with the help of SAS. So coming to the base SAS topic, so base SAS topic would be starting with something as history of SAS, how it got originated and all sorts of things when it got originated. So we'll be looking into history of SAS, and then we will be looking into the program flow of SAS. Okay, program flow of SAS. Okay. Once that is done, then we will be looking what are the different steps or what are the different windows that SAS have, different window that SAS have. Okay, and then we will be looking into the steps in SAS. Step in SAS. So basically there are two steps. One is called as data step, and another one is called as proc step in SAS. Okay. After that, we will be looking into libraries of SAS. Okay, libraries of SAS, like how we can create rules for creating the library. Okay, rules for creating the library, and also we'll be looking about the rules of creation of our variables. Okay, how many characters we need to take, length, and all sorts of things. We will be looking into it. Okay. After that, we will be talking about the data portion part of SAS. Okay, data portion of SAS. Okay, we will be looking into different options and different operators that can be used in SAS. Okay. After that, we will be looking something into the format and in format. Okay, format and in format. How we can format the data in SAS. Okay, how if we have n number of decimal places we have to take the values, how we can take all those values. Okay, we will be looking into that thing. So these all topics are coming under in base SAS only till now. Okay, so after that we will be looking into about reading of SAS data set, reading SAS data set. Okay, reading SAS data set. Reading SAS data set. So inside this we will be looking about text, Excel, limited kind of data. Okay, delimited, what all those things are there, we will be looking into it. Okay, delimited files. Okay, after that we will be looking something into the validation and cleaning of the data set. What are the different steps we can use? Okay, validation and cleaning of data. Okay, what are the different steps that we can follow in validating and cleaning of data? Okay, so basically we will be looking into like print, prop clean, or prop freak. Prop freak, right? Prop freak, mean, univariate, means, univariate, right? These are the different props that we'll be looking into. So in this reading of SAS dataset, we will also look into like how we are importing import function. Okay, import function, how we are using import function in the importing the data set. Okay, import procedure. Okay, function import procedure, how we are importing the data set. Okay, then we will be looking something into append and merge, that is combining of data set, where we will be looking into append and merge function. Append and merge. Okay, append and merge we will be looking into. Okay, what are the different options that we need to pass in with respect to append and merge. Then we will be looking into enhancing of report. Okay, how we can enhance our reports. Okay, so there we will be seeing the options of uh, options or title, okay, or ODS we have, okay, right. So these things we will be looking into it. We have also have here footnote, notes, right. We will be looking into these options. Okay. After that, we will be looking into about the summary report, how we can produce summary report, right. So we have something for summary report. We have free, right, frequency table or or how we can produce cross tabular data, right, cross tabular report, right. So all sorts of report we will be seeing, and we will be seeing like how what are the syntax and how we can use it. So we also have here something as a proc report, okay, proc report, that also we will be looking into it. Okay. After that, we will be looking into retain statement and sum statement, like how we can control our accumulating total or uh, accumulating total variable, right? Creating, understanding the creation of total accumulation variable. Okay, like retain statement and then the sum function. Okay, that we will be looking into. And then the most important topic is function. We will be looking into different sorts of function, whether it is numerical function, okay, or categorical function. Okay, we will be looking into the functions that are there in SAS. Okay, after this we will be looking into a bit of advanced topic, that is do loop, then the array, which completes the base SAS topics. Okay. So basically, these are the complete base SAS topic. Okay, for in advanced SAS, we have like SAS SQL, and then we will be looking into macros. These are the two topics that we'll be looking into advanced SAS. Okay, and then once these are done, then we will be looking into the analytics part of the SAS. The analytics part of the SAS. So basically, in analytics part of the SAS, we will be looking something into how we are doing descriptive analytics with the help of SAS. How we are doing descriptive analytics with the help of SAS. Okay, so basically SAS is very good when it comes to dealing with the data. A huge amount of data set can be easily dealt in the SAS environment, right? So we'll be seeing how we can easily do descriptive analytics with the help of SAS. We will also be looking into the data exploration, validation, data sanitization with the help of SAS. So basically data exploration, how we can do, okay, data exploration, data validation, right, validation of the data, how we are doing it, right. So these all things we can easily do it in SAS. So we will be looking into that, all those things. We'll be also looking into testing of hypothesis. What are the procedure we follow to do hypothesis testing in SAS? Okay, testing of hypothesis. And then we will be looking something into correlation and regression. So this is the topic of the statistics. Okay, so what are the different props we use for correlation? What are the different props we use for regression? Right, all sorts of things we will be seeing it. Then we will be seeing into multiple linear regression. Okay, how we can do multiple linear regression in SAS. And then we'll be looking something into the classification kind of problem, where we will be talking about the logistic regression. We will be talking about the logistic regression. Okay, how we can use logit procedure for doing logistic regression in SAS. And then we will be seeing the time series analysis. Time series with the help of SAS. Okay, what are the different procedure for time series in SAS and how we can leverage it. So this is the complete topic that we will be learning in the SAS. Okay, so from next video we will be starting with the basic of SAS and then we'll move forward. Okay, so any doubt till now?